The Quran is a book in which there is no room for doubt. Every statement in it is certain. Moreover, there is no doubt in its revelation from Allah. One meaning of guidance is to show the way, and in this sense, the Quran is guidance for all people. The second meaning is to reach the destination. In this sense, guidance is only for the believers because one reaches the destination by following the guidance of the guide. Healing is for the patient who abstains from harmful things. A pious person in Sharia is one who refrains himself from doing or omitting anything that may lead to the punishment of Allah.